Are you ready to write a K-pop song?
Welcome to our studio.
Hi, I am Misha.
And I'm Roulsen.
This is our K-pop songwriting and production class.
We're excited to get started.
In 26 videos, we'll teach you our complete skill set of songwriting, production, mixing, mastering, and pitching to major K-pop labels.
We work with the biggest K-pop artists like Taeyeon, Taemin, and Red Velvet. We'll show you everything you need to know to create your own K-pop hit song.
We'll take you through our entire process, starting with initial ideas, all the way to a fully produced song ready for pitch.
Next to songwriting, we'll teach you how to build hooks and melodies, write concept and lyrics.
Also, how to sing, record, and edit vocals, as well as produce, mix, and master your song with an analog digital setup.
You get an exclusive view into our creative brain, and you'll be creating your own song in the process as well. The best way to learn is by doing it yourself. So, what are you waiting for? We can't wait to get started.